The door is open now, and I'll take you inside to see the progress of work that has been done at Eko Paragon. Follow me, come and see what we have inside for you at Eko Paragon.
This is how far work has gone in just 8 months. This project was promised to be delivered in 18 months. And see how far it is gone within 8 months. Every material used for this project is quality over quantity, original or nothing. From the foundation to the whole construction, the job is well done. I will show you a sample unit in a bit. You will see the interior.